Hello again. Thank you for joining me for your latest weather update from the Met Office. As we go through Saturday evening, there will be a bit of rain around, but that will clear to leave a drier, sunnier Sunday. That's because we have this weather front that's pushing its way southwards, and then behind it, high pressure building, and it is going to be very high indeed. Could see pressure of around 1048, 1049 perhaps, so whilst not quite record breaking for February, that is very high nonetheless. As we look through the here and now though, and you can see that front brings some cloud and a spell of rain as it pushes its way southwards, the rain not particularly heavy. Further north across parts of Scotland, there will be a few wintry showers through the evening, but these clearing overnight, and then largely clear skies across the bulk of the UK as we go through the early hours of Sunday morning. Temperatures under the clear sky is going to take a bit of a dip. You can see the blues on the map indicating where there's likely to be some frost, so fairly widespread across parts of Northern Ireland and into Scotland, perhaps Northern England too. Even a touch of frost possible further south as we go through the start of Sunday. Through Sunday itself then, and high pressure building means that front will clear away, and then many of us are going to have a fine settled day. Plenty of winter sunshine around, but it's worth bearing in mind that sunshine could be a bit hazy at times due to some high level cloud that's going to be pushing through. The wind should be light too. That combined with the sunshine means it will feel fairly pleasant, even though temperatures on paper are down several degrees compared to what we saw on Saturday, with most places staying in the single figures Celsius. Little change for much of England and Wales as we go through the evening on Sunday, but thickening cloud across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, with a few spots of drizzly rain likely here and strengthening winds too. Across England and Wales though, where we hold on to the clear skies and have generally light winds, we're going to see temperatures plummeting. Even in towns and cities we could fall several degrees below freezing, so a fairly widespread and harsh frost here first thing on Monday morning, and some fog and freezing fog patches to watch out for too. Where it's cloudier in the north and where it's also windier, we are going to see temperatures staying that bit milder. So through Monday itself then, a bright sunny start across many parts of England and Wales, but as we go through the morning and into the afternoon, we are going to see the cloud in the northwest feeding a little bit further south and eastward, so most places starting to turn a bit cloudier as we go through the day, but generally staying dry. Further north across Scotland and Northern Ireland, here it's still going to be blustery with some gusty winds and with thick cloud bringing some outbreaks of drizzly rain at times, always most likely towards the west, particularly the Western Isles likely to see some. Temperatures on Monday likely to be similar for many to on Sunday, but with the cloud, the slightly stronger winds, it's probably going to feel a little bit colder for most, albeit noticed towards eastern, northeastern parts of Scotland. Here temperatures could just about get into double figures. I'm going to have more information on the forecast as we go through the rest of Sunday, so remember if you're watching on YouTube to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise you can keep up to date with the information on both the Met Office website, our app and our social media channels. Bye bye.